Hi, my name is Evelyn Farah. I'm 84 years old. My son Ron died of AIDS in 1993, a year after starting the Farah Foundation, Quebec's leading AIDS fundraising organization. He was only 36 years old. Ron dedicated the most important part of his life to helping those living with the disease until the day he could no longer talk, until the day he died. Ron believed that a cure was just around the corner and asked me to continue his fight until one was found. That is what I've been doing ever since. Now I'm asking you to help me in my quest. September 20th marks the 17th edition of SAMACH, Montreal's annual AIDS Walk, and I have set my fundraising goals very high. For every $50 or more pledge, I will donate $50. Despite the fact that I just had knee replacement surgery, I will be there as I've been every year and will walk or roll in a wheelchair the entire 7 kilometers, beginning to end. Please help me help those who are living with this terrible disease live a more dignified life. Your money will go to provide real care needs in communities across Quebec, from education and prevention services, food, housing, transportation, hygiene products, medication, palliative care, home care, medical equipment, and supplies. They say that a child should never die before their parent. Unfortunately, this has not been the case for me.